I had to troubleshoot it, and basically it came down to the switch is bad. So we're gonna work on replacing that, because I got a replacement here, same exact part, so that'll be good. But yeah, the first step to doing anything is make sure the power's off. In my case, that's easy because it has a cord, so we're good there. First part, the cover off, and then so you get a look of everything here. If you know, you're not real sure, maybe take a picture of this or something, just so you remember the connections for the power cord. And then these are your leads that go to the motor. So get that out of the way. And then we're gonna do this clamp. That way we can pull the leads out once we get them disconnected. Now these are stranded wires, so there's a chance you may have to go back and you know, even cut some of this stuff off if it's crushed too much and strands are broken and whatnot, because you just don't know. So those are almost out. That's the ground screw. That's the ground wires for both the lead to the motor and the power cord for the air compressor. Take that, set that somewhere where you won't lose it. Pull that out, leave the cord somewhere else. Disconnect leads. Okay, we'll get that out of the way now. Okay, next part, trying to set it up so you can see. It's the line here, goes down to the switch, and it's just a quick disconnect. It's hard to see, but this is a little blue collar, goes in and pushes on the little fingers that are in there, spreads them out, and then you can pull this out. So for me, I just use a little wrench, just this size here is a 5/16, just fits over the line. So push in, you pull it towards you and move the line out. So that's that. Okay, next step would be to put sealant, which I just got done doing. It's just some Teflon tape, or you could use this stuff or something like it. This stuff works great too. So, okay, I got more of my paste on there. So now we're gonna spin this stuff on. It's definitely already tight, so might get one more spin out of it, maybe. Yep, we're almost there. This is it. That'll be good. Okay, that's on. So now we can start putting our safety valve stuff back on, the gauge. I'm gonna get this started. And then we can do the gauge next. go. And that. These taken care of. There's that. Okay. All right. What's that? Grounds. There it is. Okay, ready to roll. through up here. That's good. Put it in.